Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then we have to localize this ringtone option. Let's tap on it. And we will be immediately transferred to the themes where we can find this ringtone section, and basically you will be able to download a specific ringtone if you've got your internet connection. They are free of charge, and I highly recommend to check them because here we've got a lot of things to ringtones to check. But obviously if you wish to choose something from pre-installed options, you can still do that. Just tap on pre-installed ringtones here or choose local ringtone, and here you will have the pre-installed ringtones. If you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and then you will be able to check whether you like it or not. Let me go back, and if you will decide that you want to download the ringtone from those online options, simply choose the specific section, album, for example birds, morning, nature, or whatever you wish. Here we've got a lot of things to check, so let me choose birds maybe. And the same situation, if you wish to listen, simply tap on it and your device will allow you to check the specific ringtone. So let's pretend I wish to set this wonderful song as my ringtone. So now all we have to do is tap on this bell icon, let me do it, and confirm it with tapping on OK. Your device will right now download it, that's why you need the internet connection, and here give all the permissions your device needs. And we do not really have the information, and as you can see it was not set, which means that we have to open it again. It was this one, so just tap on this bell icon, confirm it with OK. And as you can see here, we've got the information that it was applied successfully, so we have to wait until we will see this info. And now after getting back, we can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.